What's going on? Hello. All right. What's all right? Sounds great. All right, that'll work. Thank you. Getting ready for this 28 race, Mega Cash Day. You got these 28s on Hummingbird. Here, just talk to him. I can't see my eyes so bad.
Okay. What's up, Carl Ackerman? Let's see you, Missouri. What's up, Paul? What's up, Cornell? I'm a bird looking good. Looking good, running good. We see you, North Carolina. What's up, Florida? I hope everybody's doing okay down there. No Hummingbird 2.0. It's just a hummingbird. What's up, Ohio? Do we have walking horses? Walking, running, barrel. They something. What's up, Tyann? We're getting close for sure, Mr. Jason. North Carolina, East Tennessee. What's up, Louisiana? Things are going good, Mr. Brian. Thank you. Hello, Florida. Thank you, Mr. Michael Presnell. Doing great, Mr. Steve Wallace. Can't complain, that's for sure. What's up, Hawaii? Thanks, Justin Turner. We had a blast at Cedar Creek. Doing good, Mr. Larry Brown. How are you? What's up, Omar? Hi, Angie Simpson. What do y'all think of Hummingbird? We're coming after them 28s. What's up, Drake from Honolulu? Thank you, Mr. James Chavis. Hello, Arkansas. Mr. Kurt Howe. Augusta, Georgia. Miss Kimberly. Hi, Miss Angie from West Tennessee. Detroit. Carly said, hey, hello. Send us some pictures, Mr. Daniel. Hang on, I'm going to send you a link. Hang on. Yeah, I'm sending y'all some links.
This speedometer's only going to go up to 120 though.
If they won't run about 90 through 80, they do it fast. I'm burning about 90 through 80, but it goes fast. It just holds there when it's 90. I gotta make sure the antenna and CD work. You don't know where I get a lean ramp, do you?
Where's your radio?
I like to have it when a 250 watt lean to put it in. Yeah, no, big deal.
All right.
Upper and lower channel, got the CD right top.
All right, y'all. I got the links in there so y'all can go send some emails and pictures of your stuff. What's up? All right. All right. Okay. What up, G Money? Oh, we're getting along good, Mr. John. You know, she always had attitude, but we're gonna get it right. Oh, thank you, Chad. What's up, Billy O'Neill? Okay, Mr. Phillip. I'll work on it and get it going for you. Thank you, Chi-Town. Mr. Brandon, you want to call out Memphis? Well, here we are. Thanks a lot, Starling Ann. Shout out, Francis. Okay, Christine Timmy, I'll work on them and get them right for y'all. I just put them in, so I don't know what they're doing, but I'll fix them. Thank you, Michael. They just said we got them 28s. Mr. Real Oats, I got back in the saddle this past weekend. Thank you, Jennifer. What's up, Amarilla? Thanks, Mr. Edward. Look at JJ working hard. They say you working too hard, babe.
This is what you use the Ford for, making the couch.
What's up, Iowa? Yes, Chauncey. I got back in the saddle this weekend. You bought Little Legend?
I bought Little Legend at Maverick.
Yeah.
The gay guy.
Yeah.
There in New Orleans.
Uh-huh.
And I made a couch out of it. That's what I'm saying is good for him.
He'd probably be proud, wouldn't he?
He wasn't going out running nobody with it, no way.
Oh, okay. What'd you think, Mr. Eric? You don't like it yellow? What's up, Jackson, Tennessee? I don't know. What y'all think? Leave it yellow or go back blue? What's up, Mr. Terry? Thanks, Thomas. What's up, Mr. Larry Norris?
I got hooping cough.
You got the whoop and cough? Or the claps? They say you had to clap. Bullhead. Well, let him know, John Lee. What's up, Minnesota? Hi, you guys. Thanks, Mr. Jason.
We put them pins on them and lift the body off when he's ready.
We're doing great, Mr. Chris. You think back blue, Mr. Mark? Thanks, Chad. We did get back in the saddle and it felt great. We're just doing a little work on the hummingbird, Mr. Chris. She had some battle wounds from JJ and I's wreck, so we let her wear them for a while, but now we're ready to move on. What's up, Huntsville, Alabama? Dark pink. I don't know about that. Frank, you like the yellow? JJ, we wondering if we leave hummingbird yellow or go back blue.
Only sissies have yellow stuff. So
Yep.
I don't do that.
Okay,
This body was originally blue. Right there's the original color.
there you go.
So it'd be back to factory color.
You know, or push the share blade again.
Uh-oh. We're getting ready to make this here.
It's been a long road, Mr. Ace, but hey, it's all right. Could have been worse. And yes, we did get back in this past weekend. It was amazing. I felt like I was home again. What's up, Atlanta? Hurricane Mills, Tennessee. What's up? All right, Mr. Edward, I'd let him know. No, I don't like Tweety Bird. I like Hummingbird. Thank you, DB.
You're doing for a 150-pound piece.
I
Like 1 minute.
sure do.
We'll get this done this evening. You'll race this time with Brian.
If you don't push, tell him we are not doing that no more. That's a no-go. We got too much at stake, both of us sitting on line together. That car did whoop Ryan a few times. I think she got his number. Sure, Mr. Steven. We do VIP tickets and they draw names from the bucket and you get you a ride. What's up, North Dakota? Yes, Mr. Wayne. That's all I can be blessed for today. And I keep on rocking. I think we're going to go back blue.
You got the hinges are that before the
You can do it, Miss Mindy. This was the original color of this car. That blue.
well, let's see. We need to go over.
I don't know about that, Mr. Chris. Me and JJ, we butt heads a few times about it, but it definitely keeps the bond strong. Anything you have in common. It ain't got to be racing. Just whatever y'all both enjoy doing, and I didn't know a thing when we started, but it definitely interested me. So the love just grew and grew and grew. Thank you, Real Oats. I agree, Mr. Dan Pass. Thank you, Mr. Tony. Tell your dad. Thanks, Clarissa. Yeah, Mr. Todd. You're funny. But thanks for the offer. What's up, Woodstock? Mr. Jerry, we had a great time. Hi, Michigan. What's up, South Georgia? David Ruth. I am back, Mr. Chris. I could jump over this building. I was so excited. Cedar Creek was amazing. Ty, thank you. She coming. We was just in Alabama, Mr. Anthony. Thanks, Miss Carol. It's definitely appreciated and much needed. That is the hummingbird, Mr. James. Thanks, Scooter. We'll definitely try, Mr. Kevin. What they working on? What's up, Australia? Hi, Kansas. She looking good. Hello, Dayton, Ohio. What's up, Mr. Scott? We're just trying to give her some updates since she's been carrying around them battle scars for so long. It's time for us to catch a new phase, and we're going to keep it rocking now. What's up, RA? Yep, we finally getting her straightened out, guys. We're excited.
Watch out down here, we walking up there.
Rockingham, North Carolina. We ready to, bud. Thank you. Thanks, Elizabeth. What up, Panama? For sure, Mr. Anthony. No, guys, we ain't gonna be in Enos. Sorry. Thanks, Angela. Much love, Woodlands. We are putting a new body on the Hummingbird. We felt like she done been through enough, so now we're gonna give her an update. She definitely deserves it. She done been through all kind of stuff, so it's time for her to step out away from the battle scars. Thanks, Mr. Roy. Yeah, my baby working hard. And there she is. Oh my gosh. Don't she look so beautiful? Ah, she looks so pretty. What you think, babe? She look good, don't she?
Good thing I don't have to go about sweating.
Right?
Roll the windows down in.
Uh-huh. You got a nice little airflow in there, don't you? What do you guys think? It's been a long journey, but she's here. Look at him, he's just smiling. Y'all think he's happy? Look at him. Hello, Sophia. Hummingbird is coming back. You know, we'll probably let old JJ and Hummingbird keep the motor. They did do pretty good with it. They did run up that list with it all. I was super proud of him. That was something very hard to come back from. And he went out there and put his game face on, and he did it for us. So I couldn't be more proud of him and Hummingbird. Yeah, it's like a kid in a candy store for sure, Bo. Folks don't realize he's tough on the outside, but he's the sweetest teddy bear on the inside. He really is. I will let him know, Mr. Team. You quit playing, Mr. Terry. My JJ is handsome. Mr. Eddie. JJ the boss driving Hummingbird. Who you think? Can't nobody else drive Hummingbird like him. Yeah, I agree, Mr. Lee. We're gonna paint her back blue. Mr. Ace? I don't know. We'll have to see what JJ decides. Yes, Mr. Samuel. I was so emotional. I can't even describe when he took that number 1. Thank you, Mr. Mark Cromwell. Okay. All right, y'all.
Hot rod is what me and you have.
Well, yeah, this is our new hot rod that we take around.
It ain't new, it's used.
Well, yeah, I didn't mean new like that. It's just new to us. Yeah, that's what I was meaning. All right, y'all. We'll see y'all next time.